How do nasal decongestants work? Have you ever wondered how nasal decongestants can clear your stuffy nose? Let's break it down in a simple way. When you experience nasal congestion, it usually means that the blood vessels in your nasal passages have expanded. This swelling blocks airflow and makes breathing difficult. Nasal decongestants come to the rescue by narrowing these blood vessels through a process called vasoconstriction. These medications work by targeting specific receptors in your body known as alpha-adrenergic receptors, particularly the alpha-1 receptors. When these receptors are activated, the smooth muscles in the blood vessels contract. This contraction reduces blood flow to the nasal mucosa, which is the lining inside your nose. As a result, the swelling decreases and your nasal passages open up, making it easier to breathe. In survival situations, understanding how nasal decongestants function can be quite helpful. If you find yourself in an environment where medical assistance is not readily available, nasal congestion can be a serious issue, especially during respiratory infections or allergic reactions. Having a nasal decongestant in your first aid kit can provide quick relief and help keep your airways clear. However, it is essential to use these medications with care. Overuse can lead to side effects such as increased blood pressure, nervousness, or difficulty sleeping. Additionally, if you use topical nasal sprays for too long, you might experience rebound congestion. This means that once the medication wears off, your nasal swelling can return even worse than before. When creating your first aid kit, consider including a nasal decongestant. Look for options that are easy to carry and have clear instructions for use. Always check the expiration date to ensure effectiveness. In summary, nasal decongestants work by stimulating alpha-adrenergic receptors to constrict blood vessels in the nasal passages. This action reduces swelling and improves airflow. Having this knowledge and the right supplies can make a difference in maintaining effective breathing when it matters most.